Today I'll be talking about my lifecam cinema webcam over here. It's a 720p Microsoft webcam. So when I tried to install the lifecam software over here, lifecam 3.6, this is the error message I received while trying to run setup. It says that I can install it, but when I actually try doing it, I get this message over here. I like to install the lifecam software, even though it's only Windows 7 supported. So there are some alternatives. Basically, I want to be able to do manual focus and maybe some lighting things on the camera app on this computer. Is a Windows 10 computer. If you click on the start button and type camera, and select the camera app, you can actually adjust the focus over here on the left. But first, what you have to do is go into settings and enable pro mode. Again, you have to go into settings, and then underneath the camera is pro mode. Set it to on. After that, you'll be able to adjust the focus. Now, this only offers you one or two settings, so it's a little limited. Instead, what I would also suggest is, if you have Windows 10 and you can't properly install lifecam setup, you'll probably also be able to try using Skype. So on here, I also have Skype installed. So just go into Skype and go into settings.